In this video, we will discuss about adrenal glands. The adrenal glands are also called suprarenal glands. They are paired endocrine glands situated over the upper pole of each kidney. This is the adrenal gland, this is the kidney. This is the upper pole and this is the lower pole. Adrenal gland is situated on the upper pole of each kidney. They secrete steroid and catecholamine hormones directly into the blood. They secrete steroid and catecholamine hormones. About anatomical location. These glands are located in the posterior abdomen between superior medial kidney and the diaphragm. These glands are in the posterior part of the abdomen between the kidney and the diaphragm of that particular side. They are retroperitoneal with the parietal peritoneum covering their anterior surface. They are retroperitoneal. The parietal peritoneum covers their anterior surface. The right gland is pyramidal in shape. This is the right adrenal gland. It has the shape of a pyramid. The left one is semilunar in shape. The perinephric fascia or the renal fascia encloses both adrenal and kidneys. This fascia attaches the glands to the diaphragm. They are separated each other by perirenal fat. Here you can see the gland. This is the diaphragm. On this side you can see the right gland, liver and the diaphragm. The glands are adrenal glands are attached to the diaphragm of the crura of that particular side, and they are separated by perirenal fat. Anatomical relation. The glands are in proximity to many other structures in the abdomen. Right adrenal gland, left adrenal gland, anterior and posterior relation. Anteriorly, right one, inferior vena cava, right lobe of liver. Posteriorly, right crus of diaphragm. Left one, anteriorly stomach, pancreas and spleen. Posteriorly, left crus of diaphragm. About the anatomical structure. The glands consist of an outer connective tissue capsule. The gland is covered by a capsule and there is an inner cortex and medulla. Here you can see this is the capsule, this is the cortex and here is the medulla. The outer cortex and inner medulla are functional portions of the gland. They secrete different hormones. About the structure of adrenal cortex. It is two cholesterol-derived hormones, namely corticosteroids and androgen. Functionally, the part is divided into three regions: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. Zona glomerulosa is the superficial layer. It produces mineralocorticoids such as aldosterone. Zona fasciculata, it is the inner layer. It secretes corticosteroids such as cortisol. Also secrete some amount of androgen. Zona reticularis is the innermost layer. It produces androgens such as dihydroepiandrosterone. It also secretes a small amount of corticosteroids. This is the picture that explains different regions of adrenal cortex. Zona glomerulosa secreting mineralocorticoids, zona fasciculata secreting corticosteroids, zona reticularis secreting androgens. Coming to the structure of medulla, it lies in the center of the gland. It is dark brown in color. It contains chromophil, which secretes catecholamines such as adrenaline into the bloodstream in response to stress. This response or these hormones produces a flight or fight response. Chromaffin cells also secrete enkephalins, which function in pain control. So medulla secrete catecholamines such as adrenaline and enkephalins, which control pain. About the vasculature, the artery supply is from superior adrenal artery, middle adrenal artery and inferior adrenal artery. Right and left adrenal veins drain the glands. Innervation. It is by celiac plexus and greater splenic nerves. The sympathetic innervation is from T10 to L1 spinal cord segment. The lymphatic drainage is into lumbar lymph nodes. About the clinical relevance, there is a condition called pheochromocytoma. It is a tumor of adrenal medulla. It secretes adrenaline and noradrenaline uncontrollably, causing high blood pressure. This is in brief about anatomy of adrenal gland. Please subscribe and share.